What if I told you that AI could write emails, code, and even create entire business plans for you in seconds? Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro in just 3 minutes. Stay tuned for secret tips most people don't know. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI-powered chatbot that understands and generates human-like text. Whether you're writing, coding, or learning, ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting for you. Make it shorter, rewrite it in a formal tone, add an example. Alright, let's talk about some top ChatGPT hacks. First up, try using ACT as commands. For example, you can say, act as a business coach and give me a strategy for my startup. This really helps in getting more tailored responses. Another cool trick is to enable custom instructions to personalize your interactions even more. If you're a premium user, you should definitely check out ChatGPT plugins and browsing mode for real-time data. Now let's look at some of the best use cases for ChatGPT in 2025. For productivity, you can use AI-generated schedules and email automation. It's a game changer. As a research assistant, ChatGPT can summarize articles and find trends for you. And for all you creative minds out there, it can help with blog posts, ad copies, and scripts just like this one. While ChatGPT is amazing, it's not perfect. It doesn't always provide real-time information, and sometimes it may generate biased or incorrect responses. So, always fact-check the information before using it. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to consider Google Gemini, Perplexity AI, or Claude AI. That's how you master ChatGPT in just 3 minutes. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI hacks. How do you use ChatGPT? Comment below.